Hey there guys, welcome back to Cop Talks. Today's video is going to be, touch unusual. Kind of slow at work right now, and I figure I'd take a little snack break and kind of recording all this on my body camera, so kind of interesting, right? So first off, I can't see anything in here. I guarantee you 100% you guys can see more than I can because there's night vision on. Thankfully I have a little light. Ah yes, smoked almonds. It's gonna be good. I got this in that First Strike Ration that I did earlier. This right here should be Cranberries, osmotic. Gotta throw in those $10 words. And then this should be like the Italian sandwich with sauce or whatever. Hot Pocket, basically. And then for beverage, I have a nice bottle of water here. And then this 1911 that my partner basically just dropped off and said, hey, you really need to check out the trigger in this thing. Hands it to me, and then walks out of the office. So, interesting co-workers. I think I'm going to try these almonds. I remember having these like years ago, and it's been so long, and man, these are vacuum, like, sealed. I'm trying to find a place to even open these things. Alright, let's get this going, shall we? Oh wow, that's... son of a bitch. Yeah, that totally smells like how I remember it. I don't know if you can see any of that, but... Oh, flip. Whoa, holy crap. Wow. Oh my god. I was just like, trying to dump it in my mouth. I just get hit with like smoky salt. Jesus. Man. Note to self. Smoky almonds do not work well with black uniforms. Alright, next up. Osmotic raisins. You know, I don't like raisins, but I love raisins osmotic. The only way I can explain these, they're like tangy raisins. Pretty good. I enjoy those thoroughly. I'm real curious about this thing. I am really curious about this. Oh, I apologize in advance if all my camera angles are just complete trash. Like I said, I'm filming this on my body camera, and have no idea currently what the camera's looking at, so hey, whatever. Oh wow. It's like a very strong smell of, if you've had any of the MRE stuff that has like marinara sauce or like a tomato sauce, it smells like that, like the spaghetti right off the bat. That smell reminds me of MRE spaghetti, like 100%. I gotta turn my light on real quick to see this. Okay. It looks almost like a wheat snack bread, right? Let's give it a bite. Wow. These are pretty good. This is like a... I don't want to say Hot Pocket, because like the bread is much softer than like a regular Hot Pocket. I don't know, like a little mini calzone or something. Definitely taste the pepperoni. Yep, for sure. I know it says like pepperoni with sauce, but it's more like a paste. I mean, you know, whenever like an MRE says sauce, it's partially dried out because, you know, too much water and moisture actually speeds up the decomposition or the fouling of the food. So the drier it is, the longer lasting it's going to be. Now, granted, you can't dry something completely out because, well, then it's freeze-dried or, you know, dehydrated food. You got to have it at least somewhat hydrated to be like ready to eat. But overall, it's pretty good. There you go. That guy finally found his brakes. Almost tastes like there could be like some cheese in there. Definitely need some water though, it's definitely dry. Not gonna lie guys, kind of nervous. I have an interview tomorrow. Not with another agency, I'll still be with this agency, but it's for an instructor position with an education company. Basically as one of their, it's weird. It's a law enforcement instructor position at a medical education company. Basically it'll be a cross between teaching life-saving techniques to law enforcement, civilian personnel, and then helping train people in active shooter and active attacker situations. It's really interesting because that's kind of the direction I want to go in my life, at least in my career field. I really like spreading knowledge and learning things in return, and interacting with people and stuff. It's kind of actually one of the reasons I made this channel, and I don't know, like now that it's actually kind of happening, or it has the potential to go to another level. Oh, excuse me. I'm kind of nervous. I mean, I'm usually good in front of a bunch of people, like a crowd and stuff like that, but I don't know, like interviews always throw me off. But yeah. No, it's going to be interesting. Apparently I'm one of 3 people being considered for the position, so I really don't know what to expect. Anyway guys, I really appreciate you joining me in this dark, cold car, well, truck technically, here on the side of the highway while I snack on some MRE snacks. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you like the content, and tell me I'm a complete total loser or a jackass or something in the comments. That's fine too. I don't mind. Leave a comment if you would. I love answering people's questions, and I love seeing people engage down in the comment section. I think it's really fun, and the spreading of information, and bringing somebody new into the hobby or whatever. I think it's awesome. Like the video if you would. That kind of helps me out and lets me know that you guys like this kind of stuff, and just appreciate all the feedback and stuff I've been receiving. It's been phenomenal, honestly. I'm at 99 subscribers at the recording of this video, which I just not even too long ago I said I was going to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and now I got to like finish that project up and actually get it out. So you guys are great. Anyway guys, stay safe out there. Have a good day. Please be careful when you drive. The weather's only getting crazier right now, and as much as I don't mind helping people out who get into wrecks and things like that, I'd rather they never get in a wreck in the first place. So take care of yourselves, and I will catch you in the next one.